At this point, let us hear words of wisdom and inspiration from our esteemed principal.
Please take your seats. Blessed day to our dedicated teachers, the faculty, and staff of the College of Education and the Basic Education Department, proud parents, our dear students, our student awardees. Today is not just about medals. It is not about certificates. And even it is not just about a recognition. Today is about your stories. Stories of persistence, quiet sacrifices, and small victories that led to this very moment. Let me start you with our senior high school awardees. When you say Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. We are not talking about perfection because we believe that none of us are perfect. We are talking about readiness. The kind of readiness that shows when life becomes difficult. Mahirap ang buhay natin ngayon. The problem is not just about something. It is how we can survive with all uncertainties that is really happening worldwide. This recognition is not just about recognizing what you know, but recognizing how ready are our senior high school learners to show different perspectives or views, especially when difficult times comes. Competence. Lead with competence. It's not just about getting high grades. Competence is what you show when you stay up late to finish your projects, even when you are tired. It is choosing to understand the lesson instead of just memorizing it. It is helping a classmate who was struggling even when you had your own deadlines. Kaya kung kayo ito, palakpakan ninyo ang inyong mga sarili. Parang hindi pa sigurado. Kaya sana bago matapos ang recognition rights na ito, pasalamatan ninyo ang inyong mga kaklase, ang inyong mga katabi. Ha? Thanks them. Kung wala yung isa, walang magandang output ang grupo. We take a look on the positive side and angle of life. Kasi sa buhay natin, sadya ganyan. Hindi pare-parehas ang contribution ng bawat isa. Number 2 is character. On the other hand, is what you do when no one is watching. This is our character. It is honesty during examinations. It is respect for your teachers and parents. It is standing up for what is right, even if it is not on the popular choice. So sana our senior high school graduates ay hindi lang basta magpapadala sa Agos, kundi titingnan ninyo anong uri ng tubig ang pinag-aabusan ninyo. I remember a student who once failed an examination and felt like giving up. But instead of quitting, the student asked for help. He studied harder and eventually improved. Not just academically, but in confidence. That is where competence and character work together. A right values, the right attitude, Kasi lahat naman may attitude. It's either right or wrong. Good or bad. Sana natin kayo sa isang side na maganda. To our faculty and staff, you are the quiet architects of this success. Every lesson, every word of encouragement, every moment of patience, it all matters. Lapakan niyo yung mga teachers. You may not always see the impact immediately, as I'm always telling to each and every one of you. But trust me, your influence lives on your students' decisions, values, and dreams. There was once a teacher who simply told the struggling student, I believe in you. Naniniwala ako sa iyo. Meron ba nagsabi sa inyo na? Okay. That simple sentence changed the student's path. Today, that student stands as one of our awardees. That is the power of a teacher. To our dear proud parents, your role cannot be replaced. Behind every achiever is a parent who sacrificed. Waking up early, working tirelessly, and sometimes setting aside personal dreams so their children could pursue theirs. Hindi na nila alam kung saan sila kukuha ng pambaon sa hirap ng buhay na ating nararanasan ngayon. Inflation. Kaya wala ba? Pero, mas tumaas pa, pataas na pataas. Tayo na lang ang hindi tumatangkad at tumataas. Sila na lang ang nagmamahal, pero naniniwala kong bawat sa inyo, isa sa inyo, punong-puno ng pagmamahal para sa mga mag-aaral na ito. Pwede nang pagtabla ng kung anong magulang. Bakit? Nagbubukid, nagme-mekaniko, lahat ng trabaho ginawa. Kaya sana, my dear students, ma-appreciate ninyo na ginagawa o ginawa ng inyong mga parents. Kung hindi man parents ng inyong mga tiyahin, tiyuhin, kung hindi man mga tiyahin, tiyuhin ng inyong lola. Talagang napakahalaga po sa akin ng lola dahil ako'y lumaki din sa aking lola. Ako'y nakapagtapos dahil ng aking lola. Iparamdam niyo sa kanila ang inyong pagmamahal. This is a simple time for you to rejoice. It is a simple time for you to say thank you, to hug your parents, to hug all those persons behind your success. Every single step, it is a success. Tandaan ninyo yan. Wala pa kayo sa dulo. Actually, pare-parehas tayo, wala pa sa dulo. Pero bawat hakbang na ginagawa ng bawat isa sa atin, ito ay progreso. Ito ay success. At huwag kayong matakot na humakbang. First, in the help of our God Almighty. He is our strength. And now to our awardees, this recognition is not to finish the line. It is a reminder of what you are capable. The world you are entering needs not only intelligent individuals, but also kind, responsible, and courageous leaders. Intelligent, pero may puso. Impact kayo ng rewards ng recognition when may honors or wala, hindi ito magdidikta kung ano kayo. Your behavior, your character will dictate who you are and who you will be in the future. Kasi wala po lahat ng iyan kung wala ang Panginoon na nagbigay ng lahat sa inyo. Kaya sana every recognition na matanggap ng bawat isa sa inyo, gamitin ninyo para mas lalong magpakumbaba, para mas lalong magbigay, In real life, leadership does not always mean standing on stage. Sometimes it means doing the right thing in small, in every situation. Being honest in your work, showing kindness to others, and staying strong during challenges. As Filipino graduates, you carry something special. Resilience, compassion, and the ability to rise above difficulties. Use this not just to succeed yourself, but also to uplift others. So whatever life takes you, whether in college, in your careers, or in your communities, remember this. Be competent enough to make a difference. Be strong in character to make it meaningful. Congratulations, our dear graduates, our dear students, our dear awardees. We're proud of you, not just for what you achieve, but for who you are becoming. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you for that inspiring and uplifting message, sir. You may now take your seat.